packing this up. Bye-bye. Surprise, I am BBM 2000, the robot of the future. I have been specially programmed for fun and surprises. All systems go.
Welcome to Big Mouth Academy,
Where learning is big fun.
Class is now in session.
It's a Big Mouth Academy surprise, eh? Count 'em out. 5,